Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to be working on page 155 today. On our homework, we're working on Lesson 8, Module 3. And the big why of why we are working on this mathematics today is pretty simple. You're going to have to know how to multiply. And we use multiplication in everyday life for bills, for grocery shopping, for buying anything. We can use multiplication in order to solve for multiple items. Buying multiple things and figuring out how much it costs and if we can buy it. So multiplication is very important in everyday life. So learning multiplication is part of growing up. What we're going to focus on today is partial products and place value. So two different things that help us understand that standard algorithm like I've been talking about. So partial products is very important to understand standard algorithm as well. And so we are going to focus on partial product in this section and place value. So let's go into number 1. So number 1, they have written down 424, and we have 424 in our place value chart already. Now what they haven't done is they haven't used the multiplier 2 to make 2 copies of 4 ones, 2 tens, and 400. So let's do that. I'm going to make copies. And I have these copies here. And so now our answer has changed. It's no longer 424. It is 8, 4, and 8. 848. And so here we're going to be focusing on making sure we are going to be doing partial product. So they've kind of helped us out. So 2 times 4 is 2 times 4 ones, which is 8 ones. And then 2 times 2 tens is going to be 40. Okay, and then 2 times 4 hundreds is going to be 800, and then we just add all the way down. And here, this is pretty cool. We're doing 2 times 400. We're doing 2 times 4 tens. And we're doing 2 times 4 ones. All right. Perfect. So now that we've done place value, we've done partial product, let's get more practice in with these problems. So I am multiplying 3 times 424. So let me put 424 times 3. And make sure you have enough space to work on your partial products. I am going to put 4 ones, 2 tens, 400. All right, and we are going to, this is 424. I am now going to multiply this by our multiplier, 3, and we're going to make 3 copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, and 3 copies. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 copies, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3 copies. All right, so now our answer's changed. We no longer have 424. We actually might have to bundle here. So 3, 6, 9, and 10. I am going to bundle. Bundle. That gives me 2 left. All right, 2, 4, 6, 7. Cool. And I'm going to see if I have to bundle here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Interesting they didn't make thousands here. But we can add it. We can add thousands. Cool. And that leaves us with 2 and 1. So 1,272. But let's check our answer with partial product. So let's definitely double check. So 3 times 4 is 12. Remember, if I'm going to quickly pause the video. 3 times 2, or it's 3 times 20, right? is 60. And then 3 times 400 is, well, it's 12, but don't forget those 2 zeros at the end. 1 times it, multiplying it by 100. So we have 2, 7, 2, and 1. 1,272. Awesome, perfect. So that did work out. So remember, pause it if you need to catch up, or rewind if you need to understand kind of how did I get 1,000? Why did I bundle 10 100s to make 1,000? Those kind of questions. If you are with me, I'm going to go on to C. Now with C, we need to make a place value chart because they didn't make one for us. And I'm going to say this is ones, tens, and hundred and thousands. So ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousands. Awesome. And I'm going to make those lines cutting right through. And now that we have that, we can definitely multiply times 4. All right, so let's put our place value in. So I got 4 ones, I got 2 tens, I got 4 hundreds, and I got 1,000. So this is 1,424. Awesome. All right, so now let's multiply by our multiplier of 4. So I'm going to make 4 rows here of 4 ones, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 4 rows of 2 tens, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 4 rows of 400, and then 4 rows of 1,000. All right, we have a whole heck of a lot of dots. Now, this isn't going to be 1,400 here. It's going to be very different. So let's bundle and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. I got 10 here. All right, and I'm going to move this over, and we're adding a dot. So we got 2, 4, 6. I got 6 here. And then we got 2, 4, 6, 8. We got 9 here, no bundling. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. Bundle. So we got 2, 4, we got 6, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. All right. So all that bundling, all that counting, we get 5,696. But let's check it with our partial products here. So remember, pause the video if I'm going too fast, or if you are confused, rewind. 4 times 4, I know, is 16 ones. Okay. 4 times 20, I know is 12 plus the 0, so I know it's going to be 120. 4 times 400, I know 4 times 4 is 16, but I have 2 zeros here. I know is 16, but I know I have 2 zeros, so boom. And then 4 times 1,000, I know is 4,000. So when we add all these together, that's a lot of digits. I got 6, I got 1 plus 2 is 3, I got 1 plus 6 is 7, I got 1 plus 4 is 5. 5,000, whoa, I got 2 different answers here. Interesting. Let me see if I did everything correct. Oh, I didn't. Awesome. Okay, so I messed up here. This is good. So I'm going to go back. Cool, I messed up right here. So 4 times 2 is 80. So, yeah, 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 0 is 80. And then 4 times 400 is 1,600, and then 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. Let's add it. 6, 9, 6, Yeah, 5,696. Awesome. Perfect. All right, so those are your three examples today of how to use place value and how to use partial products. You are going to be doing the back page as well on page 156, working on A, B, and C as practice. So good luck, everybody, and I hope today's math is not too complicated for you.